Best Gaming Laptop for 2022. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best gaming laptop in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent laptops, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Razer Blade 15. The Razer Blade 15 is one of the smallest 15.6-inch gaming laptops, striking the perfect balance of power and portability. It is a redesigned laptop to be more compact yet contain even more power and features. The larger near-bezeless 15.6-inch Full HD display stretches edge to edge and features 60 Hz refresh rates. At the same time, the 8th gen Intel Core i7 6-core processor and the VR-ready NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics with Max-Q design uses the latest creative apps to edit, render, and transcode videos smooth and fast. It maximizes the 60 Hz Full HD display and experiences the smoothest and most immersive gameplay ever. It has a large clickable glass touchpad with Microsoft Precision Touchpad offering precise control. Number 2. Dell G3. The Dell G3 gaming machine is engineered with the specific demanding needs of the gaming audience in mind. From the latest processors to powerful discrete graphics cards, they make every precise experience more intense and real. It is graphically superior. It has the powerful NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with 4GB GDDR5 graphics memory. It allows you to game at higher settings with crystal clear detail and smooth realistic gameplay for a more immersive on-screen experience. It is stunning from every angle. The gameplay appears sharp from virtually every angle on the 15-inch screen with a wide viewing angle with in-plane switching and an FHD anti-glare display. More power for your gaming experience. This bad boy comes up with 8th gen Intel quad-core processors that provide responsive, powerful performance, whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or working on CPU-intensive projects. Stay cool under pressure because it has dual fans that let you experience uninterrupted gaming while your system stays cool. It also has 256GB SSD storage, which ensures faster performance and better reliability, and a new Ethernet port supports complete 100 by 1000 gigabit connections for quick performance. With a fast long-range 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, you can use the superior .L11 AC routers for a responsive, stable wireless performance. Number 3. ASUS TUF Gaming A15. ASUS TUF Gaming TUF506 is a powerful Windows 10 gaming laptop that combines gaming performance with a narrow bezel, 144Hz IPS-type panel, and an extended lifespan, thanks to its patented anti-dust cooling system. This great laptop is equipped with NVIDIA GeForce graphics, an octa-core AMD Ryzen processor, and solid-state storage. TUF506 can play the latest games and multitask with ease. TUF506 features one of the fastest Wi-Fi standards available. The latest Intel Wave 2 Wi-Fi 5 boasts data transfer rates of up to an incredible 1.7 gigabits per second. To top it all off, its RGB backlit gaming keyboard is rated at 20 million keystroke durability. The actual transfer speed of USB 3.0, 3.1, and Type-C will vary depending on many factors, including the processing speed of the host device, file attributes, and other factors related to the system to configuration and your operating environment. Number 4. MSI GS65 Stealth Thin 051. The MSI GS65 Stealth delivers great graphics and overall performance in a svelte, sophisticated chassis. MSI's GS65 Stealth Thin is one of the company's slimmest gaming laptops to date. It is also one of the first gaming systems to feature Intel's 8th gen 6-core Coffee Lake processor, which promises 20% more performance than its predecessor, making this model a good system for productivity. But MSI hasn't skimped on the gaming power, cramming a VR-ready NVIDIA GeForce 1070 Max-Q GPU into that slim chassis, and all but guaranteeing the notebook will deliver high frame rates and smooth virtual reality experience, all in an unbelievably pretty frame. The entirety of the laptop's chassis is made from black, matte sandblasted aluminum oil alloy. MSI employs a little Midas touch instead of the usual backlit red and white dragon sigil logo, replacing it with a printed black and gold emblem. A thin diamond-cut golden strip lines the top of the lid. It still has plenty of ports. A USB 3.1 Type A port, Thunderbolt 3, a mini DisplayPort, HDMI, and the power jack sits on the right. You'll find a pair of USB 3.1 Type A ports, gigabit Ethernet, a secure lock slot, a microphone jack, and an S/PDIF jack for high-res audio. The Stealth's 15.6-inch display only comes in 1920 by 1080 resolution. But while I wished for a QHD or 4K version, I appreciated the 144Hz refresh rate, which should help cut down on screen tears and latency. Number 5. Acer Predator Helios 300. The Acer Predator Helios 300 offers excellent performance and a decent display, but the short battery life and awful speakers hold it back. It gives you decent features and performance and is affordable, but makes some sacrifices. The Helios 300 offers a powerful Intel Core i7 1750H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, as well as a colorful 15.6-inch 240Hz display and a punchy keyboard. The hood features that sandblasted black aluminum design with two blue brackets surrounding the silver Predator logo at the center. The only notable difference making this chassis somewhat attractive is how deep and dark the black is on the hood. On the left side, there are Kensington lock slot, an Ethernet port, two USB Type A ports, and a headphone jack, while the right side features a mini DisplayPort, an HDMI port, one USB Type A port, and one USB Type C port. The Acer Predator Helios 300's keyboard doesn't provide those satisfying clicks. The keys were still pretty punchy, offering solid feedback on every depression. Number 6. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is an impressive 14-inch gaming laptop that delivers on several fronts: excellent performance, incredible battery life, and unbeatable portability. It's a kind of gaming machine that gamers have dreamed of for years. Equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max-Q GPU, it puts a lot of horsepower into its tiny 14-inch chassis. The Zephyrus G14 sounds almost too good to be true. More than 11 hours of battery life, excellent performance for gaming and VR, thermal management that never gets hot to the touch, and a design that can both satisfy gamers and look at home in more professional settings. All this plus funky personalization features. The Zephyrus G14 is something of a small wonder. As gaming laptops go, it is incredibly slim and light, cramming more gaming prowess into its 14-inch chassis than any comparable ultrabook from the last few years. ASUS also offers the Zephyrus G14 with an array of micro LED lights called the Anime Matrix display that let each pinprick hole glow with RGB goodness. You can then turn those dots into an animated marquee, which you can further customize with text and graphics. Along the sides of the laptop, you'll find several handy ports. On the right are two USB 3.0 ports and a USB Type-C port. A Kensington lock slot also lets you physically secure the laptop. On the left are the power connector, an HDMI 2.0 B output, and other USB-C port that offers charging for the laptop. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.